I don't know. What I meant to ask is these realtors are getting to the closing table because contracts are great, but closings are better. So
Right.
they need to involve you to secure financing and to fund the deal.
Right.
So as great as an educational experience might be, when someone goes to a seminar, goes to Brian Ferry or Buffini or any of these big name events, my knock on them, if I can, is that it takes you out of your home, it takes money out of your pocket, you are not working essentially, and I've seen
Spending money.
spending money on dinners when you have your own home cooked porridge at home, and it really is, to a large extent, except for the value you get, a distraction or an event interruption. That's really a knock, because you are not dealing with your client base, your referral base, your local practitioners, where you earn money to eat. I mean, this local business, I'm sorry, I'll apologize to everyone in advance, is your oxygen. It's what you get. You can't go any shows, book any hotels, walk across the Golden Gate Bridge if you don't have money from transactions in your local hood.
Yeah, this comes first.
This comes first.
This allows for all of that to exist.
But I've seen the tail wag the dog, the cart before the horse. Any other analogies you wanted? I've seen that where a lot of credence is placed on the overall mega conference, and I get that there is valuable information that you probably can't get elsewhere. So we noticed a void in the real estate world where there is, and there really was prior to Revamp, there was no place for people to get together on a regular monthly basis, have a month-long conversation punctuated in the middle at the 50-yard line by a dinner discussion regarding that topic with other realtors and with the local non-realtor affiliates. So that's what I think gave the need in our discussion.
Yeah, I think that, look, there's some merit to going outside the market and traveling and going to an event. I've been to quite a few myself, Tony Robbins and some of these other things. And I understand that, to get, re-energized or to find some motivation or to pick up one or two little tidbits that might help, your closing percentage. But for the vast majority of people, for the most of the time, or for the most, to really do it on a consistent basis and not have to fly out of here and book hotel rooms, I don't see why a realtor wouldn't embrace the Revamp membership group. Come once a month for 10 months. We have two parties, but 10 months of discussion on topics that are going to make them better at their trade. And then maybe, one or two a year you go away to pick up some other stuff, but at least you get to stay home in your market and work your business and work your pipeline for 10 or 11 months.
Yeah, I agree. And I agree with you. And as to, not to say don't do anything, because I love going to Inman, and I plan on going to NAR, and we've been to Triple Play. Those are great experiences. But Revamp offers an opportunity to really augment or complement, with an E, those efforts.
And relevant topics.
Relevant.
Here,
You're
in your market.
If using multiple offers, or using dual
Right.
agency, or using pre-listing marketing, that's a hot subject. I know that there's so much discussion on the topic of now Zillow is offering future homes for sale. So these topics don't change. Syndication itself is a topic. Dealing with buyers, qualifying buyers. I think that I know the void exists. We're here to fill that void, and it's really, really, I don't want to say easy, but it's been fun putting together this group of people in Westchester, New York, who are committed to learning from and with each other. They want to get better. What's also been fun is the perfect harmony that's resulted. And I want to hear from you, Artie, where the support you give those agents and the opportunity to shine, so to speak, to demonstrate your authority in the field, to be a resource to them in their own efforts. that's really what gave rise to what is now known as the revamp culture, and that culture is one of value and support.